going on, everybody? So today's Christmas, so Merry Christmas everybody. I figured we jump in old C10 here, go out here and do a little Christmas burnout real quick. I figured we celebrate Christmas by doing a little burnout, burn some tires down a little bit. I ain't got much gas, but I got just enough for a burnout. Nothing too crazy. Quick little couple Christmas burnouts. Just a little Christmas celebration. The neighbors around here just absolutely love me. They love me to death. They wouldn't know what to do without this redneck living next door to them with a bunch of junk all in his yard and loud ass trucks and all that good stuff. If I moved away, it would just break their little heart, I'd imagine. Yeah, just wanted to say Merry Christmas, everybody. Hope y'all all had a good day. Everybody had a good Christmas and everything. I'm just here by myself right now. Everybody's gone. My little man, he got him a four-wheeler for Christmas. He's gone with his pawpaw right now. They off visiting people and showing us four-wheeler off and riding it around. But I'll throw a clip of it in at the end of the video here for the people that's interested in seeing that. Put a little clip of him riding his four-wheeler around. But yeah, just a quick little Christmas video. I want to say Merry Christmas, everybody. Hope everybody has a good day. After this video here, I'll have a few more videos for y'all coming. It should be pretty interesting. And we got my daddy's Silverado there fixed up, and we actually drove it down the road without any problems the other day. So there'll be a video of that, and got a couple other videos coming too with something that some of the Ford guys should like. So y'all just be looking out for them. And once again, Merry Christmas. Hope everybody had a good day. I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.